removing of clients. So the clients are currently listed within the clients page on a full list. Now the information that's associated with each of the client is a logo, the name, and then the markets that it operates in. So it's really just those three elements that are to be amended. This particular section of text is consistent throughout every listing. So if we go through to the back end of the website and then we select clients from the menu there, this now gives us a full list of all of the clients that are featured on the website. Goes through to the next page there as well. So for this example, we'll go and have a look at the Promote Iceland. So if you wanted to make any change to a current listing, we have simply the name, which is the name that's used for the title of the client. We have the logo, which is shown here. All of the logos used throughout the site use the same dimensions, which again I'll make the information available. And then the markets. So the markets is the information that's shown underneath the client's logo on that client listing. So if I just go back to the main website just to show you. So onto the clients page. Now if you'll notice on the Iceland we don't currently have any markets listed, so we can sort that. So we've got the title, the logo, and then the markets. So for this, just for demonstration purposes, we'll tick those two particular markets and then ensure that we click update. Then if we return to the public facing website and refresh that page, we should now see two markets underneath here. Okay, so that's how these particular listings are amended. If you would like to add a new client, we go back to where we were before. So we're going to go to, from the clients menu, we go to add new. And then the only information that we would need to do would be to add a new client title. We would set the featured image, which would be their logo. So as an example, we've got an existing client logo here. We'll set that as the featured image. That's showing. And then you would tick any appropriate markets for that particular client. Once you've done that, you can click publish. You'll notice that the status will now change to published rather than draft, which it was in before. So that particular client will now be visible on the main website. If you would like to remove it, we can go to the full list of clients. And we've got this new one here, and it's simply a case of if you want to permanently delete it, you can click trash. That said, if you do accidentally click trash, you can go back to the trash area, and if it's one that was mistakenly deleted, you can then restore that item. So if we go on to the all list there, so it's currently in a draft status, which means that it's available for us in the back end, but it's not visible on the public facing website. So if we can go into edit, and the other way to remove this particular client would be to move to trash there. Okay, so that's now been removed from the list, but it does still exist in the trash. If you want to permanently remove that particular one, you can just hover over it and delete permanently.